I think I always remember that kindergarten teacher, and I remember what impact she had on me, that I wanted to do that for kids.
It's kind of intimidating because you really want to do your best and you want to make them love school, but it's also really fun. And I think that it's fun to just be their first experience of school.
Agencies like yours know the importance of starting young. And it's not about just getting the materials and getting the furniture and things like that, but really pouring our resources and our time and energy into kids when they're 3, 4, 5 years old, to set the foundation.
They delivered it and we saw it all. It was just like, oh my goodness, like we never get this much new stuff.
Yeah.
Like maybe a game or two every year, but like this was
Like
so much.
Game. Even when we started growing a tower garden, every morning they yell, "What's growing?" And it's their excitement because they're actually seeing it.
Yeah.
And it's something that they were part of.
Just really intentional with the STEM materials.
Part of this that we got was, professional development for the teachers. That really wraps into not only are we getting these great materials and these things that the kids are going to love and think are fun, the teachers are really being taught how to use them, not just appropriately, but to make a lasting effect on the kids. So I think that's where agencies like Don Wood and some of the other grantors that we got in contact with come in, because they see the importance of being able to support these children and the teachers that support them.
We rely heavily on partnerships with foundations like the Don Wood Foundation, and we are forever grateful for the opportunity for the First Makerspace and the STEM activities for the children. I just came out of the classroom and I want to be in the classroom all day long. We were just saying, as adults, we would love these things in our offices. And can you imagine the learning opportunities the kids have right now? They don't even know that they're learning. And it's just amazing to see. The difference in the classrooms alone is amazing. And how the kids are interacting with each other and with the activities is phenomenal. At 3 years old, they are critically thinking, how do I build my house, or how do I build my barn tall enough or big enough for my animals to go in and feel safe? I mean, that's pretty amazing.
You guys should feel like you guys have made a difference, because you guys have really made a difference in not just this school year, but within the next 10 years. While this stuff should last a really long time, we get to use it, but we wouldn't have been able to do it without you guys.
It's going to be for a lot of kids. It's, we might not use the seating. We might not have a child that needs it right now, but what if we do next year? And I think that's what I look at the most. It's beneficial in so many ways for so many kids. It serves a good purpose for everyone.
When this first kind of came to me, I wasn't expecting the moon, and I feel like we surpassed any expectation that I'm sorry, I'm gonna get a little teary. Any expectation that I had for this project has been far exceeded. The children love it, the teachers love it, and I just, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for your generosity, because it means a lot.